Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up lower yesterday. You actually had the bean and wheat markets trading double digits lower in the front month. Main reason for that is basically due to the fact that you've got confirmation of Panamax vessels being loaded with soybeans out of Brazil headed for China. So there's cancellation concerns like we've talked about for so long here. And then also world wheat supplies are just trumping the winter kill concerns here in the United States, causing the wheat market to continue to sell off. Corn was just slightly lower. It's got a little bit of support. We had export sales this morning, came in very bullish for the corn market. So they were seen as bullish for the corn market and wheat market, and soybean sales have slowed off a little bit, which isn't that much of a surprise given the news of the Brazilian harvest moving forward and also them loading vessels with beans headed for China and other areas as well out of South America. So the corn market did see a big boost in demand. Not too surprising to see that due to the fact that prices are competitive now. Obviously, when you've got $7 corn, you're not going to sell as much as when the corn is in the $4 range. You're much more competitive with countries out there like Ukraine and South America when you're producing corn at that price level as opposed to the higher levels we've become accustomed to the past 3 years. So probably we'll see exports continue to remain strong for the corn market. Moving forward, we could see a little ease in cash market, though, as the weather starts to warm up. Logistical issues aren't as bad as they have been as of lately. We can start moving grain around more like we usually can when it's not negative 20 degrees outside. So keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on the South American weather forecast. There's some rain forecasted that could slow harvest down in Brazil a little bit, but the harvest reports they are getting down there when they can actually harvest the grain, or they're experiencing near record yields. So keep your eye on that, as the weather forecast will dictate kind of how we move moving forward. If you have any questions, let us know.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.